Hey there, my tech fellows from the internet. Welcome back to the Everyday Talk, your one-stop channel for all things tech. I'm your host Rahim, and today we are tackling another hot topic that's been buzzing around in the tech community. Is the iPhone 12 still worth it or still worth buying in 2024? Whether you are considering an upgrade, a switch, or just curious about its relevance in the fast-paced world of smartphones, you have come to the right place. So just buckle up, let's dive in and break it down with a request to subscribe if you like what you see, so that we can grow as a family together. First off, let's recall what makes the iPhone 12 stand out. Even 4 years after its release, launched back in 2020, this model was a big deal. It introduced the first major redesign since the iPhone 10 or iPhone X, bringing in flat edges back from the iPhone 4 and 5 era, and OLED display across all models, and of course 5G capabilities and some important introductions such as MagSafe in the iPhones, with a lot of interesting accessories to use with your device, like the MagSafe wallet and the MagSafe battery pack, which comes later. Fast forward to 2024 and these features still holds up remarkably well, especially when you consider the price drop since the release of newer models. So let's move forward and talk about performance and software. Apple's A14 Bionic chip used in the iPhone 12 was a powerhouse at the time, and honestly, it still performs solidly for most tasks and even some extensive tasks like video editing, and there is not a problem to perform any such tasks on this phone. As for software, Apple's support for older models is stellar. So the iPhone 12 still runs the latest iOS version smoothly and is also going to support iOS 18 this fall, ensuring you will get all the new features and security updates for the years to come. So nowadays, camera is a very crucial component for the mobile phones or the mobile devices. Moving on to the camera, always a crucial factor, especially in the current era where camera performance is skyrocketing with every new smartphone release. Some smartphones are trying to reach the moon with their cameras and some are trying to do something else. The iPhone 12 boasts a dual camera system with one wide and one ultra wide angle lens that's still competitive, and great performance in various lighting conditions including night mode in each camera, and strong video capabilities could be expected from the phone. For the everyday users who's not looking for professional photography but still wants photos and videos that look great on social media, the iPhone 12 definitely cuts it. Along with the great hardware, the software also ensures that images taken from even ultra wide lens are absolutely crisp even at the edges, which is not common for a lot of mobile phones. So now the question arises that who should buy it? Let's get straight to the point. Should you consider buying an iPhone 12 in 2024? If you are someone who doesn't always chase the latest tech, or maybe you are budget conscious but still want a phone that feels modern and can handle everyday tasks and even some tougher tasks with ease, this could be a perfect fit. It's also a great choice for students or anyone entering the Apple ecosystem for the first time without breaking the bank, as it offers all the new features like MagSafe, fast charging, and 5G in affordable and you can say budget-friendly price. All the above things being said, let's put it into perspective. Comparing the iPhone 12 to the latest iPhone models of 2024, there are advancements in processing power, camera tech, and most importantly, the AI integration with Apple Intelligence into the Apple ecosystem could only work on the newer iPhone models. However, the question remains, do these advancements justify the price difference for all the models or for your needs? For many, the answer might still be no, making the iPhone 12 a worthy contender for most of us who are not going to use their phones for anything exceptional or processor hungry. So finally, to wrap it up, iPhone 12 is in 2024 is like the seasoned player on the tech field, experienced, reliable, and still very much in the game with advanced features like MagSafe and beautiful Retina display and all the other things necessary in today's smartphone. It balances performance, price, and longevity, making it a savvy choice for those who need a cutting-edge technology but still want a phone that feels up to date. What are your thoughts about the iPhone 12? Is it something you could consider? Are you looking for something newer? Drop your opinions and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button for the inside tech reviews just like this. Don't forget to ring the bell and stay updated on all the latest content which we shared. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on the Everyday Talk. Till then, as I say, stay curious and keep exploring.